All the stock ones I've seen, yours flies faster than any of them. Even with all that ordnance on it.
Landing slot.
Alright, got airplanes going every which way.
I'll go up after you guys.
After you, Bob.
Timer cleared. Flaps up. Gear up.
We've got an aggressor. All right, I'm going after him.
I gotta turn my timer on, that sucks.
I got 2.5 minutes on mine.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Going up. Okay, Chris, don't freak out. I'm going to dive in on you. Oh, God!
Right down the center line.
All right, me too. Going up behind you. Already?
Yeah.
Okay.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Go ahead and land.
Come on in.
I'm all the way down the end.
Alright.
Man, the fan makes it land even better.
30 seconds.
Downwind pass. We can help you with that, Robert.
9, 8,
I know people.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, gear down.
I'm coming in right now.
Flaps. Time
I'm still
expired.
all the way down the end, Rick.
Okay. I'll land short.
I mean, I'm on the...
Oh, way out there? Okay.
I'm on the...
That was basically full throttle the whole time.
I know.
Woo-wee! That was fun.
Takeoff flaps.
Can't wait till the
Flaps
summer
up.
when the sun's not there.
Yeah. Once it starts moving to the up above us.
Yeah.
Oh man, now the F-14's going up.
Just keep rolling.
Dang it, Frankie! I wanted to chase you. I want to chase you with the F5.
I want to see you inverted 3 meters.
Oh, right above the canopy, right?
What were you doing? Communicating.
Because I was inverted.
No, he wasn't, man. It was a really great move.
Rudder, 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 rudder. Very cool.
Doesn't have any...
No. That's why you see me throw it on top of my head.
I know.